Okay, this is that 13-foot awning off an RV. This is how I'd sew it. I have this table made up here to collect the part of the material that I already sewn. It would go through my presser foot, my machine right here. I would actually have this part slung over my shoulder here. And then I have a stand here holding it off the ground and another chair back here holding the rest of it off the ground. That way it doesn't get caught on the floor, it doesn't get dirty off the floor, and it'll slide over my shoulder easy, slide through the machine easy. After you get too far, I have my other machine right here. Sometimes this right here will get caught against this, so you may have to stop. What you do is put your needle down in your presser foot on the material so it doesn't move, and I would come and roll this up like this to give myself more room so it can slide through here and keep going smoothly. Okay, this is how I'm doing this awning. I got the last part of this awning to sew up. The front part that I already did is bunched up here in front. I got the rest, and I put it over my shoulder like this so that I'm going through, I can just feed it through and it'll slide over my shoulder easier than being on the floor, possibly getting caught up on my seat wheel or anything on the floor or get dirty. So this is how I'm doing this. Now as it bunches up here, you can just push it back, line up your awning. If you ever start going crooked or it starts getting out of hand, stop. Just put your needle down, bury it in the fabric so it doesn't move, and then stop, realign yourself, and get going again. Take your time on it, line it up stuff, do a few inches at a time, and then go a few more inches, line it up, and get through it. This is 13 feet long awning off an RV. Once again, the seams were coming out from just age and wind and everything and the elements. So I'm putting a double stitch on this on all the seams that I'm doing.